Good morning, children. How are you all? I welcome all of you to a second session of English TH words. Yesterday, we learned some TH words with its related picture and wrote them in our notebook. Today again, we will revise the same. But we will also go through some new TH words which will help you to understand a concept better. So let's begin our session. Let us revise TH words. See children, in this picture, this boy is showing his thumb. 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 Thumb is a short thick finger at the side of each hand. Thumb को हम अंगूठा कहते हैं. Teeth. 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 It is the hardest part of human body and it is found in our mouth. Do you know? Teeth helps to chew our food. Teeth यानी दांत जो खाना चबाने के काम आते हैं. See, this is a tooth. 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 Tooth is a singular of teeth. Tooth means a single teeth. Yes, now we all know this, right? It is number 3. Three. 3. 3 is a number we use for counting in numeracy. This is a picture of thread. 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 It is a thin fiber made by spinning and twisting small fibers. Thread is used for sewing clothes. Thread यानी धागा जो सिलाई के काम आता है. Now let us see some new TH words with its related pictures. See, in this picture, a girl is throwing a ball. So the word here is throw. 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 Throw means to send something from your hands through the air by moving your hand or arm quickly. Throw यानी फेंकना. Now here you can see two boys. The boy with lollipop is fat, but the other one is thin. 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 Thin यानी पतला. Thin means not fat. Now this word is think. 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 Think means to have a particular idea or opinion about something or somebody. जैसे ये बच्चा कुछ सोच रहा है ना? Think यानी सोचना. This is a cloth. 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 It is a material made of cotton or wool that we use to make clothes, curtains, etc. See here, a policeman is running after a thief. 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 Thief is a person who steals things from another person. Thief यानी चोर जो चोरी करते हैं. Thief. 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 Today again we will write th words. You have to draw 3 lines in this way. First we will write date. So today's date is 1/5/15.10.20. After this, from the margin we will leave 2 finger space and write T H, 1 finger space, W O R D S, words. TH, words. Now do you remember which was the first word? Yes, thumb. THUMB, thumb. 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 So we'll write T. A little bit below the red line, straight line, straight standing line, come down to the second blue line, make a curve and a slipping line on the first blue line. T. H. From red line to the second blue line, a straight standing line. On that line go up to the first blue line, make a curve, come down, touch the second blue line. H. U. From first blue line to second blue line, straight line, make a curve on the second blue line, go up, first blue line, come down. U. M. So from first blue line to second blue line, make a straight standing line. On that line go up, take a turn, come down, touch the second blue line, again go up, curve, come down, touch the second blue line. M. THUMB. So for B, a straight standing line from red line to second blue line, and then from the first blue line to second blue line, make a reverse C curve. B. THUMB, thumb. Thumb याने अंगूठा. It is the small thick finger at the side of each hand. Now our next word, teeth. TEETH, teeth. Teeth. So T. A little bit below the red line, straight line, standing, come down on the second blue line, make a curve and a small slipping line on the first blue line. T. Now put your finger here between the 2 blue lines. Put your point here, go up to the first blue line, make a C curve, come down, touch the second blue line. E. Again E. So from the center, go up to the first blue line, make a C curve and touch the second blue line. E. T. A little bit below the red line, straight line, come down on the second blue line, curve and a small slipping line on the first blue line. H. So from red line to the second blue line, straight, go up, curve, come down, touch the second blue line. H. TEETH, teeth. Teeth याने दांत. It is the hard structure in our mouth, and this teeth we used for chewing our food. Next word is tooth. TOOTH, tooth. Tooth. So we'll write T first. So a little bit below the red line, straight line, come down to the second blue line, make a curve and a slipping line at the first blue line. T. O. Small round between the two blue lines. Again O. T-O-O. T. Straight line. Come down. Second blue line, make a curve and a small slipping line on the first blue line. T. H. Straight line from red line to the second blue line. Go up, curve, come down, touch the second blue line. H. T-U-Th. Tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. A single teeth is called tooth. Next word is 3. Number 3. 3 is a digit we use in numeracy for counting. 3 याने 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. So we'll write T little bit below the red line. Straight line, come down to the second blue line. Curve and a small slipping line on the first blue line. T. H. From the red line, straight standing line, touch the second blue line. Go up, make a curve, come down, again touch the second blue line. H. R. Straight line from blue line to blue line, go up and make a curve. R. E. So place your pencil point in the center, go up, curve, take a C turn, touch the second blue line. E. Again E. So from the center, go up, curve, again C curve, E. T-H-R-E-E. 3. After 3, thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. So we'll write T. So little bit below red line, straight line, come down on the second blue line, make a curve and a small slipping line on the first blue line. H. From red line to blue line, come down, go up, curve, again come down and touch the second blue line. H. R. From blue line to blue line, straight line, go up and a small curve. R. E. From the center, go up and a C curve. E. A. A C curve and then go up to the first blue line, come down straight, touch the second blue line. A. D. To write D, from red line to blue line, a straight standing line. Now from the first blue line, make a C curve, touch the second blue line. D. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. What is thread? Yes, thread याने धागा. It is a thin fiber made from twisting and spinning small fibers. And thread is used for sewing clothes. So, same way you have to write in the remaining columns. Let us once again revise. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Th-a-m-b. Thumb. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. T-E-th. Teeth. Tooth. T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. T-U-th. Tooth. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. So children, you have to learn all these TH words. So kids, I hope you loved our session. Keep practicing and keep writing. See you again in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.